Hey guys, Benson here. I've been in this business for over 20 years. I've done everything from fix and flip to buy and hold, doing rental properties. I'm actually still a licensed real estate agent, and I happen to be one of the owners of Privy. And I've talked to hundreds, maybe even thousands of real estate investors and agents who are looking to get an edge on the competition. Now, there's a lot of tools out there that will help you be more efficient, be more effective, be better organized in your real estate business. But I don't know of any other platform that will actually spend time behind the scenes in an automated fashion and go out and pluck amazing deals out of a haystack for you. We can literally find the needle in the haystack. Now, this is all done in an automated fashion. You simply tell the system what you're looking for, and it will go and find it for you. Now, there's one caveat here, and this is one of the things I think that it was an aha moment for me, is that the comping algorithm can only find deals where they're actually present. Privy doesn't create or destroy deals. We just automate the whole process of trying to find these things very, very quickly and effectively. So let's say tomorrow there's 100 deals that come on the market, and that maybe three of them are deals. You'd have to spend your whole day running comps on 100 properties to find the three, which means you just spent 97% of your time saying no to properties that weren't deals anyway. But if you target the right area, an area that has high investor activity where all of the ingredients are present for you to be able to assemble a deal, our system will be able to pluck out those amazing deals that are discounted, that match your specific deal criteria in a fraction of a second. Let me show you how it works. Come over here to the left, click this button that says fix and flip. That's going to plot on the map where all the investor activity is nationwide. Now, this strategy does not work in every market because there are not deals in every market. Every market is different. So what I would implore you to do is to avoid areas that have low investor activity like this up here. South Dakota, a lot of the states in the north and the northwest, and then drill down and find a market that has a big blue circle with high numbers in it, and then drill down there. So let's say I like Milwaukee. So I'm going to drill down to the Milwaukee market, and then I'm going to find a neighborhood that has high investor activity. Now, high investor activity means that there are actually fix and flips happening there. And so if I was looking to find a wholesale deal or to find a fix and flip or even find a rental property, the best way to find those discounted properties is to target the specific neighborhoods where that activity is located, like right here where it says 175. Now, once I drill down into this market and I find out specifically which neighborhood I'm going to be doing deals in, I could come in and I could do some research to figure out what's going on around here. But I want to show you how quick it is to find a deal. Now, I come over here and I click this button that says find similar active deals. Privy is going to reverse engineer what we just found was a successful deal. Here's a property, it's $59,000. This is a 4-bedroom place. We can come in here. Obviously, it needs some work. That's what we're looking for, though. If we're looking for a discounted property, we need something that needs deferred maintenance. And look right here. We see a lot of properties where there's fix and flips. So anytime you see this before and after data here with the 55, the arrow, and the 145, those are all flips in the same neighborhood. So again, this property here that's $59,000 has a potential after repair value at 145, 150,000. So this property has a potential after repair value in the 40% range. That's how simple it can be to find deals if you just leverage investor activity and base your process off what other investors are already having success with. This is a mind blower for me, you guys. If you just follow the strategy that I just showed you, I guarantee you, you will be able to find deals just like this every single day in most markets all across the United States.